Y'all already know. Yeah. That's right. Let's go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are on our way to the Dyno. We're going to meet with two boosted stands with Marty and Christina. They are going to take Marty's car, the boosted V6, Procharged V6, and we're going to take it to more power tuning. They've been his tuner for the whole time, and we're going to go over there, put the car in a dyno and dial it in, tune the car. That should finish it up. And I've been there for the previous dynos that he's done. Does really well. It's really fast. It's got some good power. I think last time we went to the dyno he was only like on 8 psi. Now he's on 3-4 pulley, I want to say, so he's going up to 14-15 psi. Yep, full send. You got the address?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll send you the address in case. It's like 40 minutes away.
I got it.
Okay. Got it? Okay.
Alright, so we went up with two boosted stands, Marty and Christina, backset Crimson Pico, and we're on our way to MPT now. Sitting pretty at MPT out here. Send it.
Oh, do I tell you? Do I tell you? I can't? Do I say it? Or do you want to wait for the sheet?
I know.
Oh, he's gonna give you
you
the sheet?
tell me.
Oh, shit. Now I don't remember.
Oh, you fucking kidding me.
It's all finished and tuned up. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, Marty's Procharged V6.
It's a Procharger.
It's all dialed in and tuned. You wanna know how much it made? Go check out two booster stands. What's this? Manual car. 3 pedals. One leg. 2 legs. You think I can drive it? You think he'll let me drive it? What will it take?
Oh, that's the torque from the turbos. Built engine though? Oh. God damn! Oh, damn. I'll take that sound over V8 sound any day.
Right.
Oh my God, it's so torquey. Look at that. Damn, it had to be squeezed in there.
You really wanted to make it look like factory, you know?
Yeah. So, what year is this?
69?
69. And what did it have in it when you got it?
302.
302? Wow.
Super quiet too.
It is.
Yeah, you going for that
quiet.
Sleeper, want to make sure.
Super
Yeah.
quiet. You probably see on the street and they're probably trying to figure it out because they all see on the street. They're like, well, it's not the stock engine, it's not a Coyote, so.
Right? I
Wow.
love just to hit it and like
Oh,
a boost
yeah.
vent.
That's what I said when you took off, you couldn't hear anything. Like I have drag radials, but still when it shifts, it grabs, and when it gets higher in the RPMs, it still slips a little bit. Yeah, when it grabs, it goes. Spun a little bit there. Tell him to drop it right there. Tell him to drop the car right there. Drop it. Drop it. Lower it. Drop it.
He's recording, drop it.
Drop it.